Okay. 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 This does not taste good. Oh, wait. They need to explain to me how this is amazing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche here. So today I'm going to be doing a different video from my usual makeup video, of course. Okay, so first of all though, I want to appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel and for always watching my videos and for liking and for commenting. It's been amazing. Okay, it's been amazing that you guys are supporting me so much, and I'm really grateful, and I want to thank you guys. And also thank you guys. Yeah, so for today's video I'm going to be testing out Australian snacks. Okay, so online I usually see people rave about some of these Australian snacks and how amazing it is and everything. So this is going to be like a first impression. I've never tested anything that I have here today. Never. I've not tested it ever. So this is going to be like a first impression. So I just got there and I bought a couple of other snacks. I'm going to test out is this. This is Lamington, gluten-free. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I've been seeing this online everywhere. People are like, this is amazing, this is this is that. I don't know. So we're going to try it out. So this is how it looks inside. This is how it looks. And yeah, I think I should just wipe my lipstick or something, because by the way guys, I filmed this look and I'm sure it's already on my channel. Okay, so you guys can go and check it out. I'll leave the link here for you guys to click on, and also in the description box. So this is how it looks like inside. This is nice. These things here, they are coconuts, like wow. Okay, I purposely did not eat today so that I'll have the stomach to get all these things inside. So I don't know, this is like, I feel like it's cake with chocolate, right? It tastes like cake and it has coconuts, I don't know, like just coconut bits around it. Guys, the next thing I have here is roasted and salted macadamia, great for snacking. So this is what it looks like, macadamia. Let me open it and show you guys. Okay, so it's sealed. This is what it looks like inside. It's like nuts. It's hard, yeah, it is salted, right? Aside from the salt that is coated around it, once you just bite into it, it doesn't really have any taste. It's not all bad. The salt is just on the outside. Yeah, the salt is just on the outside. The inside tastes like nothing. Like nothing. Another snacks here is ports. Okay, I have heard so many things about ports. Okay, and then when I went to get it, I saw that it has two types. It has this one. This is ports mass, and then it has this one. This is Pods Snickers. So I'm gonna try the Pods Snickers first. So this is how it looks like inside. So okay, cute. So this tastes exactly like normal Snickers, not the Snickers bar that you buy. This is how it tastes like. And let me check out this one. So it has the same shape. it has this cream. It's like chocolate with cream inside. I mean, I feel like these are like, you know, the normal Snickers that comes in bars. This is it in small shapes. Okay, this is the normal Mars chocolate in small shape. That's what it is that they talk about a lot, is this Violent Crumble. Also, this is like normal chocolate shop, but it's called Violent Crumble. I don't know. I tried to like get the taste, but the one thing I'm sure of is that I do not like this. Let's move on. So another one I got is the cherry ripe. So the cherry ripe has two types. So this is normal cherry ripe, and this is another cherry ripe double dipped. This is the second one. So these are just chocolate. Oh boy. Okay, so it has this thing inside. I don't know what this is. I don't know. Let me check the ingredients. Exactly, it has coconut, but it's cherry. I don't know, they added cherry flavor inside, and I honestly do not like this. I just hope I would like this. This is the second one. It's the same thing. Honestly, the same thing. The difference is that the chocolate covering this one is thicker. The chocolate covering this one is thicker than the chocolate covering this one, and it's just the same thing, and I do not like it. Okay, and then this one, this is called Tam Biscuits. Okay, this one has a lot of different flavors. Is that what it is? Flavors, right? I'm going to leave it here for you guys to see. So it comes in, okay, so this is how it is. All right, so I don't think I was supposed to bring it out, everything out, but I'll put it back. So it comes in like little bars. So this is like chocolate. They like a lot of chocolate in this country, sha. Okay, so this is biscuit. Yeah. Okay, so this is biscuit wrapped in chocolate. Everything here is chocolate. You know what? Let me just go into the main thing that made me want to do this video. Da-da! Vegemite. This thing, everybody here raves about Vegemite. Like it's, I don't know, they keep saying Vegemite is a big deal. Like I've seen so many people explaining how to use Vegemite on TikTok, okay? And I was like, you know what? I have heard so much about you, and I'm going to try it out. Okay, so I bought it. So let me open it and show you guys what it looks like inside. So this is like a spread for your bread. This is like a spread for your bread. So some people said it's better to spread butter on the bread first and then go in with this tiny. But I'm going to do both of them. And they always say it's advisable to use like very small. So I'm going to use like very small. My bread is already here, so I'm just going to rub it on my bread. Just small. I'm not about to kill myself in case it's not sweet, but they say it's sweet. All right. They need to explain to me how this is amazing, because this you know what, let me just try out the other way. that everybody always talks about, so let's not be like I did not try it out the other way. So I got butter. This is the Lupak Danish butter. So I'm just going to spread the butter on the bread first and then use the Vegemite. This time around I'm just going to use very small, extremely small, very small. Like the way they talk about this thing here, you think, or more, if you just rub it on your bread, it will be amazing. Okay, and I've never even bothered to test it out. Oh god. Another thing they talk about also is this thing. This is like it's called startups. Okay, magic startups. You sprinkle it on top of cake. You know those things you sprinkle on top of cake and on top of your ice cream. So what they do here is they get their bread and then they rub butter on top of it and they sprinkle it on top. I'm going to try it out. I'm just going to keep using my bread. And I'm going to rub this on my bread. So it says rub butter on your bread and sprinkle it on top. Okay, so it's sealed actually, so I have to remove the seal. So I'm not going to sprinkle this on top of my buttered bread. Okay, let me see what the noise is about. So guys, it's not as bad as Vegemite, but it's just that it's sugary. I think this is something that small kids are going to like. Not, I mean, there are people that are grown that might like it, but this is not for me. It's way too sugary. And then the last thing I'm going to be trying in this video is their meat pie. Okay, so guys, I have heard so much about their meat pie, and what is interesting about it to me is because in Nigeria our meat pie looks different from their meat pie. I'll show you guys how our meat pie looks like when you hear meat pie in Nigeria, this is what you see. But when you hear meat pie in Australia, this is what you see. This is the shape of their meat pie. Okay, and there are so many meat pie out there in the mall. Like, I think I'll leave a clip of all of them like that I got. There's some meat pie in the mall, and I was just looking for something that has chicken and vegetable inside because they had so many meat pie and I didn't understand what was inside them. Okay, and I didn't want to buy something I would not like, so I bought this one, and it's frozen. For some reason their meat pie is frozen, so you have to microwave it. Let me see. So it has instruction at the back. It has heating instruction. There's conventional oven, and then there's microwave. Let me open it up and show you what it looks like inside, and then I'm going to go and microwave it and come back and test it. Okay, so it has 2 meat pie inside. This is what the meat pie looks like, guys. It's like a small plate. It's like a small plate, and it's frozen. Like, wait, can you guys hear it? Frozen. So I'm going to go and microwave it, and we'll test the talked about Australian meat pie. Okay, so meat pie is ready, guys. But I love Nigerian meat pie. I hope this is as good as it is. So this is it. This is what it looks like inside. This one that I got. So guys, this is the chicken and leek in creamy sauce. So this is the creamy sauce, I guess. Where is the chicken? When you said chicken, that's how I think it's shredded chicken. I was thinking I'll be seeing chunks of chicken. Wow. This is good, guys, but The thing is that, you know, Nigerian meat pie, they spice the meats and everything proper, but this one, there is no spice. It's just basic. I mean, it's not bad. It's really crunchy, the outside, but the inside is just there. Oh, let me show you guys. The cheese. So this is the cheese. This is the inside. Like, I like the back. That's probably what I'm going to eat. The back, because it's really crunchy. But the inside, I don't know. It has no. I'm already used to eating a Nigerian meat pie that has spice and everything. This one, it has no taste. So guys, this is it for this video. For the meat pie, I should probably try out another type before I judge. Okay, I don't want to judge it too quickly. I just don't like the filling inside this one. And then this, I will actually eat. I mean, aside from the salt, it has no taste, and I mean, it's not bad. It's really not bad. And the rest of the chocolate, I am not interested. I keep eating this one, the pod Snickers and the pod Mars, because it tastes exactly like regular Snickers and regular Mars bars. Okay, so that one, and then you see this, count me out. Count me out. No more. No more. This one, no more. So this is the end of the video. This is the end of the video, and I didn't try out all the snacks, but my main reason for buying this whole thing is just to test out the Vegemite, the fairy, what do they call it? The fairy bread, or the fairy something. Just going to leave the name here. And then the meat pie. These are the main reasons why I wanted to do this video: meat pie, Vegemite, and this. And I tested it, and I am not going back. I'm not going back. Okay, maybe I'll try and get another type of meat pie, and then probably that one will be okay. But no, when I saw chicken, I was imagining Nigerian meat pie where they put chicken inside. Chicken pie, you know, you see chicken everywhere inside. But this one, I beg you, I'm not eating. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Tell me what you think about these snacks, if you enjoy any of them. I mean, I know some people really like Vegemite anyway, so tell me what you think about this whole snacks, and if you like Vegemite and you have another way you eat it that makes it taste good, please tell me in the comment section, because I like to try that, because I don't know what I'm going to do with this whole bottle right now, because it's just going to be staring at me. And hopefully I'll give it to somebody. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.